How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm helping my buddy out and we're getting, alright, so he has a shop. First of all, I should say that right out the way. It's called Cupola Customs. I'll leave a link in the description for the Instagram. Go give him a follow. If you guys are in the area, tri-state area, whatever, and you want some shit done to your cars, whether it be detailing, you know, paint correction, dent correction, wheel fixing, let him know. His Instagram will be in the description, and we'll see. He's over here. So everyone, this is Tom.
What's up, guys?
And this is what he's up to right now.
Yeah, working on a 2005 SL65 AMG. It's a V12 bi-turbo. This car's actually only got 20,000 miles on it. It's 2005. The original owner, he dropped us off a couple cars. This is one of the ones that he dropped off. We're doing a full paint correction, ceramic coating on it. We're refinishing the wheels. We're going to do a full interior detail. We're going to do a bunch of stuff to this car. This thing's going to look brand new when it's done. The thing is super clean.
Yeah. I don't want to get too much dust in there, but
yeah,
you guys get the idea. The car's dope.
Yeah.
And
all
yeah,
scratched up.
And also, if you guys need any wraps done, any wraps? I covered stance stuff, so any type of stance things. If you want your cars to look like a car on Instagram,
for sure, bring it by.
Or you can DM me applications if you want to work out some type of sponsor thing. But obviously, your car has to, you know, be the, you know, look the part. It can't just, you know, no offense to anybody at all, but it can't just be like some like rotted Civic or anything that looks like my Prelude. So,
No, we got you. Just reach out to us and let us know what you have, and maybe we can work with you. Hook you up with a sponsorship and get something rolling.
Yeah,
get your car ready for the year. If it ever happens.
If it ever happens.
Yeah, this car's no
stuff
season.
Going on.
Yeah, well, we're working through it. No lockdown here.
Yep. And if anyone was wondering what that is, we'll explain that on a video on his channel, which will be coming out pretty soon.
Yep.
Wow, this thing did not go into focus there, but anyways, yeah, he's got this Miata, and there's a cool story behind it. So, you know, if you guys want to see that, it'll be on his channel, and I will also link that in the description. So go sub to Tom.
Yes, sir.
And hit us up. Hit him up. Instagram description link. And yeah, so if you need some shit done, like I said, whether it be paint correction, wrapping, literally, like, I want to say anything, but we, like, besides like a dyno, like we don't, like, there's no dyno yet, but he's got everything else. So.
And we're in the move of a big move right now to a big facility. So once that goes on, we'll have some more space and for more projects. But we work on anything. We work on, you know, we got a lifted golf cart here that we're gonna be wrapping and doing a couple things too.
Yeah, he's gonna show me how to wrap that.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a little bit of everything. We're doing stance, you know, we do air ride installs, detailing, vinyl wrapping, a little bit of everything. So you have any kind of inquiry whatsoever, no matter what it is, reach out, and if we do it, we'll hook you up for sure.
Exactly. So, yeah. What I'm doing right now, I'm just doing this thing. We're getting the stance on it, basically. So it came in, don't really mind this side, but it's a little bit duffed right here just because it needs some body work or whatever. Or the body work that was on it just chipped off. But basically that's a stock control arm back there, and where's the other one? I have it right here. Yeah, this is all adjusted. It's Racer X, what the hell? Dude, that's a fucking dirt bike magazine.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, just doing this and getting the camber set on it so it can tuck ever so slightly, and then we gotta figure out the camber in the front, so I'll show you guys that. But I just figured I'd shout out Tom and his entire operation here, and like I said, just the beginning. And like I said, if you guys want to see what's up with this car, definitely check out his channel, and I'm gonna help him get a video up very soon with that. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. I measured the camber out on the arm itself, like the same measurement as it did on the other side. And now basically what we're looking for is for the wheel to just tuck. And then I have to tighten everything. Yep. There it is. like I said, don't pay too much attention. I'll show you on the ground later, but you can see. Just tucking. Once that thing gets the proper body work, it'll look sick. Okay, now we gotta kind of improvise and just make the front end kind of fit like the rear, because we need to take it from fender to lip and make it fender inside lip over there somewhere in this general vicinity. So basically, pop this off, and we're probably gonna have to do the little bolt. I'll show you in a second. The little bolt trick works like a charm every time, guys. Little bolt trick, eh? We maxed it out with a slightly smaller bolt. It's an M12. So let's air out and see how this side gets down, quite literally. And here it is with the spacer on the front. I mean, it would be good if the back had the same fitment. So you need 25 in the back with that camber to have that fitment. But the dude wants tucking all around. So that's the amount of camber we got just from that M12 bolt, which is substantial. Obviously we can't have mixed fitment. It can't be tucking and poking. Personally, this is my shit. This is what I would be doing. But tucking is what the customer wants, so we have to tuck. All right, so we needed to get more camber out of the front instead of just using the small bolt. What we did is, or what I did is went ahead and just drilled a second hole, because this was requested because we did not have enough camber before when it was here. Right? You can see the hole. Now the hole is there. That should be enough camber. All right, let's see how that works out for our guy here. The dude wanted all the camber. That is what he got. Got that drift car fitment, yo. It's just S13. Got that hella angle. Alright, so what you do, I didn't explain it, is you can see this right here. That's where that goes, right? So you just push the shit as far as you want it. And you just drill a pilot hole and then step it the thing out until it fits. Put a bolt in it and boom. Hella cambers. Second side done, bolts in. Now we'll see how low this thing actually airs out. So this is the size bolt we were going to use without re-drilling. It's like an M12. This is the size that you can use if you do re-drill, which is M bigger. Oh, it's funny, dude. That's literally the contact patch. I hope my guy doesn't go to H2O. OCD, not gonna frick with that. So 6 or 7 adjustments, probably to each side later. We finally have it ready for customer to pick it up, and it's safe to drive to an alignment rack and then get it sorted from there. And he's gonna get some bigger spacer from the front. And I'm confident this is the last time I'll have to air this out. One take. This is gonna be money. Good. Boom. Yep. That's dead. Even with the others, what's it look like over here? Looks like it's bugging out over here. So yeah, that's it. That's how you camber the ever living something right out of a Subaru. I don't really know how else to explain it, but that is a shit ton of camber. Yeah, fitment's good. Just need to get some bigger spacer from the front because it only has a 20 mil in the front. It needs like a 25. Back is good. Like I said, this is the fender, and that's the wheel right there. You can see it's like dead on it. But yeah, just a quick one for you guys because I was doing this and I was like, yeah, might as well show the guys this. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, next video will probably be me exposing my my revenue stream for not posting for a month, which I was surprised by. But anyways, like I said, go over to Tom's channel. He will be uploading this, I don't know, like a couple minutes after my video goes up. So by the time you guys are watching this, the video on that Miata right there will be up. That's kind of a cool shot. Yeah. And yeah, so the video of that Miata will be up. Like I said, I strongly urge you to go check that out and give his channel a sub, give the video a like, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy, you know, the entire story / what is to come for this thing. So definitely go check that out. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.